As part of the federal health care law, Governor Beebe asked Washington for nearly $8 million of our tax dollars to implement a part of the plan called health insurance exchanges. And how is Arkansas's government spending our money? By using more than $1.5 million on a public relations campaign to promote the health care law and create a universal climate of acceptance. $1.5 million for polling, letters to the editors, and television ads to promote an unpopular government healthcare takeover. With $16 trillion of debt, is this the best use that the government has for our money, to spend $1.5 million on advertising for an unpopular program that Arkansans don't want? We needed real reform, but this wasn't it. Record spending, record waste. Hardworking Arkansas taxpayers have sacrificed enough. Learn more about what wasteful spending is costing you at arkansasfuture.com.